If you want stronger, more defined arms but don't have a gym membership or any equipment, this 5-minute routine is all you need. 5 exercises, 50 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. Let's get into it. First up, diamond push-ups. Get into a push-up position and bring your hands together so your thumbs and index fingers form a diamond shape. As you lower down, keep your elbows tight to your body. This puts almost all the work directly on your triceps. Don't rush it. Slow, controlled reps beat sloppy fast ones every single time. Push through the full 50 seconds. Next, plank taps. Start in a high plank with your hands under your shoulders. Lift your right hand, tap your left shoulder, then switch. The real challenge here is keeping your hips from rocking side to side. The more you fight that rotation, the harder your arms and core have to work. Stay tight and stay controlled. Now arm circles. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, arms extended straight out to the sides. Start making small, steady circles. Around the halfway mark, reverse direction. It sounds simple, and it is. But by the end of those 50 seconds, your shoulders will absolutely feel it. That burn means the muscles are working. Fourth is tricep dips. Grab a sturdy chair or the edge of your couch. Place your hands on the edge with your fingers pointing forward. Slide your body off the seat and lower yourself by bending your elbows straight back. Push back up. Keep the movement smooth and controlled. No swinging, no momentum. The tension in your triceps is the whole point. Last exercise, wall push-ups. Face a wall, place your hands flat against it at shoulder width, then lean in by bending your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall. Push back out. The further you stand from the wall, the harder this gets. Adjust to a distance that keeps it challenging all the way through. Now here's what you might be thinking. Can 5 minutes of bodyweight work actually build real muscle? Yes, and here's the science behind it. Muscle growth doesn't happen during your workout. It happens after. When you push your muscles hard enough, you create tiny micro tears in the muscle fibers. Your body repairs those tears and builds them back stronger. The key factor is something called time under tension. Research shows that keeping your muscles engaged for 30 to 60 seconds per set is enough to trigger that growth response. Every exercise in this routine hits that range exactly. You also don't need heavy weights to make this happen. Push-ups, dips, and planks force your muscles to stabilize and support your entire body weight. That's real resistance. That's real work. And the short rest periods keep your intensity high, which burns more fat while your muscles are developing. 5 minutes. No excuses. Start now.